guys, this is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness guys, it's almost Christmas and look at my shirt. Santa is so cool. Ho ho ho. So guys, you know what? I was scrolling on my Facebook and I saw Selena Gomez picture and oh my gosh, she looks so stunning and I will show it to you. Insert picture here. And I'm gonna try to recreate the eyeshadow, guys. Oh my gosh, the eyeshadow is like, when I saw it's like, oh my goodness, I want to recreate that look, but I will try my best, guys. I'm not saying like a makeup artist, but I will try my very best, guys, to do it. So much for that. And I want this makeup to be quick, guys. I will try and I will do a little vlog. We're going somewhere today, but I will tell you later when we'll get there. So hold on tight, guys. I'll be back. Okay guys, the reason I always mix my foundation is it's winter, guys, so I'm not really tan like I'm with, you know, during summertime. So I love to mix all my foundation now. It's a little bit darker on me with my Bare Minerals, because this is the only foundation I have that is like very light on me, so I always mix them together. So it's gonna be mix guys, so you can have your, you know, closer color complexion. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm almost done. Eyes is done, face is done. So all I have to do is lips and highlights, guys. So keep watching. Okay guys, for my lip liner, I'm using Kylie Angel. And then I'm gonna use also Pat McGrath. This one is named Omi, I think OMI. And Kat Von D, Lolita. So Okay, guys, that's it for my makeup. So I'll see you in my vlog, guys. So see you later. Okay, guys, we made it. We found a parking for how long we've been we're looking for parking, maybe like 10 minutes, guys. Oh my god, this place is packed. So I will turn around the camera so you can see where we at, guys. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, we are now in Gaylord in Rockies Hotel and Resort. I don't know what's going on. There's like a fire truck over there, but yeah, with my handsome partner in crime. Hello. Oh my god, it looks so nice here, guys. I don't know if my camera will give it justice in it, but yeah. I think we're in Harry Potter. Harry Potter? I'm just kidding. Whoa. OMG, guys, if you are hungry, don't come here. If you're hungry, or you'll end up in Starbucks. All the restaurant is full. 2 hours to 3 hours waiting. Crazy. Okay, guys, we're outside the hotel. It's cold. Not really. It's not freezing. No, it's like 40s. It is. Oh my god, look at the lights. Alien joke. Woo. That's outside hotel, guys. Whoa. Okay, guys, it's freezing. With Joshi that you can't see.
What do?
And Ate Marites and Kuya Don is there. Ate, say hi. She can't hear me. Say hi. Look, guys. Look at all the trees. Sorry, quality's bad. Ooh, it's freezing. Let me check the temperature. There's a lot of people walking, guys. It is 30 degrees. It's not freezing. It's still cold. The wind. Oh my god. Trees are beautiful. I hope my hand is not shaking, guys. Oh, wind. Can you stop? OMG. We need a fire. It's so cold, guys. It's so cold. Goodness. And you're freezing. Oh, yeah. It's only 30 degrees, but yeah. Yeah. Feels like 30 degrees. Oh my goodness. The wind is so cold, guys. It's a video. Tired na. Tired. Tired. We're tired now, guys. Bye, Gaylord. We'll see you soon. We're getting some margaritas. Okay, guys, we are home. Our adventure for today is done. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Shalom.